this look. Been on Google Maps trying to find some fishing spots that aren't the sort of usuals in and around Cooktown, and yeah, just checked out this track. Never go through any locked gates or anything like that. But yeah, we'll keep searching. Private, keep out, but the gate's wide open, so I don't know, it's a hard one. Just keep looking. Another spot to check out. This is pretty much going to be the last one until we just go bugger it and commit to fishing the jetties here in Cooktown. So yeah, we'll see how this one pans out. I don't want to get bogged. A private property sign or a locked gate or nothing. It's just muddy, and I do not want to get stuck. So I'm just going to have a bit of a look, check it out. Not too stressed about salt water because there's a car wash in town, but getting stuck here. We're on a outgoing tide. If I got stuck in that, there's no trees to winch off. I do have, well, there's a couple of trees back that way, but that doesn't help me. I got the max tracks, but I'd be here for a while trying to get out of this. So I'll just check it out. Alright, it's fairly hard. Full drive, traction controls off. I'm not going to go too hard. Just putt through it. There we go.
You got a copy, mate? Yeah, mate. If you head straight down there, I'm pretty sure Brandon's down there in the loader at the moment, mate. So easy.
Looks like a spot. A bit of rubbish there. It's not ideal. Oh, you kidding? Check this out. Pokes out right on a little creek. We could be on here. I'll get a soft plastic on and we'll have a flick. See what's about. Got my prawn like white soft plastic on a Abu Garcia Rayrex and the Abu Garcia Pro Max. Let's see what happens out here. Oh, giving it about 15-20 minutes. Flicked a couple of times, sort of worked that bank over there, dropped it in front of these snags over here, had a couple of little finger mark pop up just down the bottom here, but when I say little, I mean about the same size as my boat. I found another spot on the maps I'll go check out, but yeah, so far this is the first one we've been able to get access to without property signs, locked gates or anything like that. But it was hard bottom when I did it, so yeah, we'll make our way back and out of here, and next spot's about 10 minutes away, sort of near the airport, so let's go check it out. This is the other spot we've found. Drive right along. It's actually a pretty good road. Backs onto, I think it's the Endeavour River National Park. Yeah. Seems like it's got okay access. Just keep driving along.
You have arrived.
Camping not permitted. Here we go. Little pullover spot just here. It's bloody windy. It looks like someone's got a yacht there. tracks and have a bit of a look. Alright spot. Yeah, it's just super windy at the moment for this particular spot. Well, it's pretty windy everywhere. Same lure, same rod, reel. We'll see how we go. Have a little bit of a flick. I don't really like the chances, but yeah, crack. How good's that? I just found $5 in the sand. That's going to pay for the car wash. And keep flicking. Haven't had any hits yet, but yeah, nice little spot for a cast when it's high tide. It's a bit hard to film. I'm on something. I'll just try and put this. Here we go. What are we? There we go. Little Trevor is going back. Hold still now. Front. Rod down. Gotta be careful with my back towards the water. I don't want to have a croc sneak up on me. Get this hook out quick. There we go. Little Trevor. Woo! That was a good bit of fun. So yeah, smashed that soft plastic. Unfortunately, that's the last one I have of these. I brought a different type of different colours, but yeah, that wasn't too bad. Finally, one of the spots is starting to produce. Keep flicking, see if we can get a few more. Got a hit. So I'm just going to set this up. It's going to be a bit easier to do it this way. Just where that log is, just out there. Something must have followed it in and fly cut it just near there. That's how we go. And then I go and get snagged on it. Oh well. Might have to come back at low tide. See if I can get this lure back. Yep, snapped off. That's alright. Tie on a new leader. We'll grab another placky. Have a little bit more of a flick. And we'll start looking at maybe trying out a few other spots or go and find a spot for lunch. Different colour lure. Yeah, see how this goes for a little bit. If the tide drops out enough, I might be able to get a couple of lures back. Lost another lure. There's a lot of snags out there, but again, bit of luck. Found a little lure. $5, little lure. I've lost 3 lures already. We'll keep going. That one little trevalle's got me hooked on this little spot. Yeah, well, lost another soft plastic and no fish. Probably going to call it. We'll still tie another leader on and another lure, but yeah, nice little spot that's sort of out of the wind. Like, it is absolutely blowing, but yeah, this spot seems to be all right. And as the tide's running out, all the bait fish are getting forced out into the deep channel, and that's how I sort of got that trevally. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all that usual stuff. Yeah, this is just my little fishing mission around Cooktown. I haven't really been putting out too many YouTube videos while we've been doing our lap around Australia, but it's, yeah, I'd credit to those guys that do, because it's, even with 2 kids just cruising around, like, we're not doing it quick, but you just don't have a lot of time, I guess. You have lots of time, but not time for creating content, I guess. But yeah, see you on the next vid.